How to choose a rooftop cargo carrier for Jeep Patriot. Choosing the right rooftop cargo carrier for your Jeep Patriot can make a world of difference when it comes to convenience and functionality. With so many options available on the market, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this guide, we will provide you with a step-by-step process to help you choose the perfect rooftop cargo carrier for your Jeep Patriot. 1. Assess your needs. Before diving into the world of rooftop cargo carriers, take some time to assess your needs. Consider the type and amount of items you will be carrying, the frequency of use, and any specific features you may require. 2. Measure your space. Take accurate measurements of the available roof space on your Jeep Patriot. Consider any limitations such as sunroofs or roof racks that may affect the size and type of cargo carrier you can use. 3. Understand weight limits. Check the weight rating of your Jeep Patriot's roof and consult your owner's manual to determine the maximum weight limit for your rooftop cargo carrier. This will help ensure that your carrier and its contents do not exceed the vehicle's capacity. 4. Research different types of cargo carriers. There are several types of rooftop cargo carriers available, including hardshell, softshell, and rooftop bags. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to research and understand which type best suits your needs. 5. Consider durability and weather resistance. Look for rooftop cargo carriers made from durable materials that can withstand various weather conditions. Ensure that the carrier is waterproof and can protect your items from rain, snow, and dust. 6. Check for ease of installation. Look for rooftop cargo carriers that are easy to install and remove. Consider carriers that come with clear instructions, require minimal tools, and have a secure mounting system to ensure a hassle-free experience. 7. Read customer reviews. Before making a final decision, read customer reviews of the rooftop cargo carriers you are considering. Pay attention to feedback about durability, ease of use, and any potential issues that others have experienced. 8. Consider your budget. Set a budget for your rooftop cargo carrier and stick to it. While it's tempting to go for the most expensive option, there are often affordable options available that meet your needs and requirements. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to choose the right rooftop cargo carrier for your Jeep Patriot. Remember to prioritize your specific needs and preferences to ensure you find a carrier that enhances your vehicle's functionality and meets your expectations.